This is ZoneOut Sessions, Season 4, brought to you by Freeme TV.
Yeah, hey, my name is Danny Rez, Freeme TV. It's my ZoneOut session. Listen, okay, see, compare me to these rappers, it's like saying gold is yellow. I rap time, my nigga, you just a whack fellow. And I'm God winning, sort of like disco, read the bellow. All I do is send fresh, I don't zero smello. Gets music over everything. That's the everywhere you go, like I'm selling things. Bitch, I thought the niggas for me like the Ice Prince, but I'm a do more than a BET. I mess up the straight things, I'm feeling like a boss, now I cross country. I swallow 30 million, now I'm a monkey. You're on the way they crack, no fi catch past me. You're on the way they crack, no fi trap past me. And if you spin on with the cap, you know fi cap past me. Baba Sue self, no fi black past me. The sun where they shine, no fi bright past me. And if it's hush, with the puppy, no fi scam past me. Yeah, D Meiji, Bank College, you're a fraudster. My governor, I'm body, you're the real star. All Benny, but me like T-Rizla. It's going back and forth star. I'm feeling like a porn star. Ray, Freeme TV. 1, 2, going in the game. You rappers should fix up your life. You rappers are lying too much. You should get on my tracks. You rappers should stop acting wise. You rappers are not Solomon. My candid advice, you should get your shit together. Love one another. Don't be like Okoye brothers. You should help yourself to grow. Build a community and you should help yourself to blow. Coming from way back, I started out when the promises they were making were nothing but simply mouth. When the house of reps to end at nothing but to simplify. And at the times realized that they were messing with the right. So I told myself that I would never let it get to me. If I was a Titus and I never do it selfishly. If I was in charge, then I make sure that your battery stays free. Yeah, in this fallacy economy, BTT, #1 priority. Stay true in everything, looking like a mannequin. And to our president, I make sure it's evident that the words that I be spitting is nothing but eloquent. Hey, it's Danny Rez 1, 2, Freeme TV, ZoneOut Sessions. Yeah, my name is Danny Rez. You just watch my ZoneOut session on Freeme TV. Let me know if it was dope or not, and please make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you very much. Yeah.
Let's waste man, reboot your senses. Coming crook, but your clan is a phony little homie. Acting like you did a favor, bet you owe me, little homie. But to rock for your ass got blocked, little homie. With Bali, no me with hoes, but believe, little homie is a fact. Pull up and I make you.